Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? Hope we are all well by the Almighty Allah. Follow the topic Dialogue 1, an interesting book. Today we will discuss about the Dialogue 1, an interesting book. The lessons we will learn here: number 1, Dialogue 1, an interesting book. Number 2, article gaps. Number 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. At the same time, we will learn 3 learning result or experience. See the page. We came to part 1 to discuss with the dialogue on an interesting book. If you carefully follow the whole video from first to last, you will learn 3 items at the same time. We came to the dialogue page. Peter, what are you doing, Hitler? Peter, what are you doing, Hitler? I am reading an interesting book. Peter said to the friend Hitler what he is doing. Hitler answered, he is doing means he is reading an interesting book. Peter, what? Can you tell me the name of the book? Yes, it's the Gulliver's Travels. Why do you say it an interesting book? Hitler, Gulliver's Travels is an interesting story. Here Gulliver travels 4 countries and gathers several types of expertise. Peter, which countries Gulliver visit? Hitler, the countries are Lilliput, Brobdingnag, Lefota and Hans. The first page already covered with the dialogue between Peter and Hitler. Peter asked Hitler what he was doing. Hitler answered he is reading an interesting book. Again Peter wanted to know about the book which is so interesting. Hitler answered Gulliver Travels is a book and the story of this book is so interesting. Here Gulliver himself travelled 4 countries, namely Lilliput, Lefota, Brobdingnag and Hans. Okay, we complete the first page with dialogue between Hitler and Peter. Okay, follow the second page of the dialogue. Peter, who is the writer of the interesting book? Hitler, Jonathan Swift is writer of this book. Peter, do you have an interesting experience? Hitler, Gulliver was traveling with a boat first, but when he was at the middle of the sea, a storm started its violence and broke Gulliver's boat into pieces. He then swam to shore and being tired he slept for hours. When he woke up he saw the Lilliputians 4 inches in size. He is surprised to behold such people. Peter, really it is an interesting book with an interesting story. I shall try to read it. The second page already read out. Here Peter asks Hitler, who is the writer of this interesting book? In answer came the answer, Jonathan Swift is writer of this book. Again Peter wanted to know from Hitler, his friend, if he had any experience or if he has any experience of this story. Here Hitler answered to his friend Peter, a good experience lies in this story. When Gulliver was traveling, he had to cross a sea, and to cross the sea he had to use a boat. But when he was at the middle of the sea, a storm broke out, and his boat was broken into pieces. Being brave, he swam the whole sea, and when he reached at the shore, he became tired and started sleeping. But waking from the sleep, he saw several persons in 4-inch size. Seeing these peoples, he surprised himself. This is the experience. Here you follow two friends making their dialogue about interesting book. Just we have to practice in this way practically. What we read, we have to tell ourselves personally or respectively. The friends making dialogue about the interesting book. What type of book is interesting? How the book is interesting? What is the expertise or experience of the book or story? In this way, we have to make our dialogue or making or speaking English, and in this way, we have to draw a good command about the English language. Okay? Again here I give the chance to see the sentence pattern of the dialogue. Peter, what are you doing? Hitler, I am reading an interesting book. Peter, what can you tell me the name of the book? Can you tell me the name of the book? Hitler, yes, it's the Gulliver Travels. Peter, why do you say it's an interesting book? Hitler, Gulliver's Travel is an interesting story. Here Gulliver travels 4 countries and gathers several types of expertise. Peter, which countries Gulliver visits? Hitler, the countries are Lilliput, Brobdingnag, Laputa and Hans. Follow the second page also. Peter, who is the writer of the interesting book? Hitler, Jonathan Swift is the writer of this book. Peter, do you have any interesting experience? Hitler, Gulliver was traveling with a boat first, but when he was at the middle of the sea, a storm started its violence and broke Gulliver's boat into pieces. He then swam to shore and being tired, he slept for hours. When he woke up, he saw the Lilliputians 4 inches in size. He is surprised to behold such people. Peter, really it is an interesting book with an interesting story. I shall try to read it. Okay, again we got the chance and read out the whole dialogue with 2 pages. And we have to practice speaking English, reading, repeat, and so on. Thank you very much. You see, we came to part 2 with article gaps. Here we will talk about the article gaps. Before going to the article gaps, we have to read out the whole passage, how to fill up the blanks. We have to experience on the passage at first. What are you doing, Hitler? I am reading an interesting book. What can you tell me the name of the book? Yes, it's the Gulliver Travels. Why do you say it's an interesting book? Gulliver's Travel is an interesting story. Here Gulliver travels 4 countries and gathers several types of expertise. Peter, which countries Gulliver visit? Hitler, the countries are Lilliput, Brobdingnag, Laputa and Hans. Follow here or behold, there are 5 blanks. We have to fill up the blanks with a and the or cross. This is the system to fill in the blanks with article, and every sentence we have to follow carefully with determiner or article. Follow here the answer. First gap n, second gap the, third gap the, fourth gap n, fifth gap cross. This is the rules and regulation of article blanks. If we see any singular word with vowel a, e, I, o, u, we have to use an. If we see any particular name or thing or object, we have to use the. And if we see no article or in the blank we see no need to use article, we have to use, in this case, cross. Follow here, again I give the chance to fill up the blanks with article just before I show you the article blanks with answer. This is the question to you only to fill up the blanks. Why not practice makes a man perfect? You have to remember always. Again I give you the question only to fill up the blanks and hope you will do better to fill up the blanks with article a and the or cross and how the article is to be filled up. So try your level best to fill up the blanks and hope you have done well. Who have already written on the exercise note the answer. Here follow again I give the chance to combine the answer with you. Why not already you have written the answer on your exercise note or you have remembered the answer and just you match the answer that you have written or wanted to say. And the and cross. Easily you have to be developed if you try your level best to fill up the blanks as per the rules and regulation always. Okay, thank you very much. We came here part 3. Now we are at the point of part 3 with capitalization and punctuation mark. One by one we are following the steps. Now we will talk about capitalization and punctuation mark, but before going to the question we have to read out the whole passage with careful attention. Peter, what are you doing, Hitler? Hitler, I am reading an interesting book. Peter, what? Can you tell me the name of the book? Hitler, yes, it's the Gulliver Travels. Peter, why do you say it's an interesting book? Hitler, Gulliver's Travels is an interesting story. Here, Gulliver travels 4 countries and gathered several types of expertises. Peter, which countries Gulliver visit? Hitler, the countries are Lilliput, Brobdingnag, Laputa and Hans. Follow here, there are 5 words colored by green color. Hitler, Gulliver expertises, Brobdingnag. Here we have to follow the mistake of capital letter and punctuation mark. How to correct? This is the simple words or rules and regulation. If we see any proper noun, we have to use capital letter as the first letter. And if we see a sentence is complete, in the case of assertive sentence, we have to use full stop. And if we have to pause off or stand off for half second, we have to use comma. And if we have to make a position to his condition, we have to use apostrophe. This is the rules and regulation. Let's go to see or behold the answer at first. Follow here, the answer is already delivered to you to have experience. Hitler, interrogative sign. Gulliver's apostrophe. Third Gulliver, capital letter. Fourth word, expertise, full stop. Brobdingnag, comma. Follow Hitler. This is the interrogative sentence, so we have to use here interrogative sign. Gulliver's travels. Gulliver's position, travels. Here we have used apostrophe. Gulliver's proper noun, we have to use capital letter at the first position. Experience, assertive sentence, so here we have to use full stop. Brobdingnag, we have to use comma for half second stopping. Okay. Here I gave the chance to follow the answer. This is the question again. Just we have to carefully correct. Hitler, Gulliver expertises, Brobdingnag. Hope you have done well. Why not before I have showed you the answer. And the sentence patterns also have been discussed first to last. And rules and regulation, where, how we have to use capital letter and punctuation mark. Again I see you. Proper noun, capital letter. Interrogative sentence, interrogative sign. Position of something, apostrophe. Half second pause, comma. Assertive sentence at the end of it, full stop. Yes, I gave the answer again. Here you combine the answer with your exercise note or your mind. The mind you have drawn or the answers you have written on your khata, please combine with careful attention or care. Follow Hitler, interrogative sign, Gulliver's apostrophe, third Gulliver, capital letter, expertise, full stop, rubbing neck, comma. Thank you very much for your good attention to my video. Exercise with property and so thanks. Try you will learn the things